Hi and hello there, Aries! So before we start your reading, nabatiin muna natin ng lahat. Hi and hello everyone. And yes, wala tayong gender dito. So babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat welcome. Even the cross-watchers at kung merong Aries sa kanilang birth chart or natal chart, welcome. And yes, of course, mga babes, kung hindi nyo pa knows, meron pa po tayong other channel. No, welcome pala no, sa ating mga new subscribers. Tuloy po kayo. And you can also bring your other loved ones right here. Thank you so much. And yun nga sa akin mapabalik-balik ng mga tambayers, thank you po sa inyong walang sawang pagtambay, no. Doon sa akin binabanggit na ating other channel, yung link po niyan ay nasa ating description box, no. So, dyan ay nag-upload din tayo ng daily collective readings, no. So, let's start your reading na Aries, no. Archangel Michael, thank you so much together with the angel guides. Can we get messages for me, Aries people? Please, what this Aries needs to know. Can you please show me messages for Aries, please? Thank you so much. Na-appreciate ko po kayong lahat every day from the bottom of my heart, mga babes, no? Maraming salamat. Aries. Aries. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this mga messages for you, Aries. So guys, you do have here the energy of the Ten of Wands. We also have here the energy of Seven of Cups. Nandito present din po for you guys, the Three of Cups. Here then, Aries, ang ating double energy. We also have here Ace of Cups as well. And we also have here Justice for you guys. Bottom of the deck, Eight of Swords. We also have here the King of Wands energy and the Ten of Coins. Whoa. So, nakita ko dito ng energy mga babes, no? Na posibleng meron dito, na posibleng nagkakalabuan kayo ngayon. Kasi timeless ito, pwedeng nangyayari pa lang ito, no? So, ng person mo rito, no? Or, kung hindi kayo nagkakalabuan, no? Pwede rin naman mga babes, no? Na whether this is a new connection, nakakilala mo pa lang, pero bakit siya rito umalis, no? So, yung iba naman is posibleng kayo na, no? Pero bakit siya rito nagpaalam or bigla na lamang rito nag-open up ng maghiwalay na lang kayo, no? And maybe this person here could be acting weird, acting cold sa inyo, no? Aries, no? And you're thinking at the back of your mind, no? Na posibleng meron siyang ibang kinakausap or may iba siya rito. Whether this is a new connection na parang you like this person, gusto mo makipag-usap sa kanya, no? And you're already sending this, no? This is a love bomber. Yeah, no? Love bomber, no? And kung sino man tong energy na to mga babes, no? This is someone here na, yeah, you're right, no? Meron talaga siyang kinakausap na iba. At yung iba na boyfriend-girlfriend mo na yan, no? No matter kung gaano na kayo katagal or kung kakasimula nyo pa lang, no? Yeah, meron ditong lumalabas, no? Na third issue, which is a third person po talaga yon. So, meron talaga siyang ibang kayong relationship at iba nga yung pinagbubuhusan ng attention, no? So, yun na nakikita ko rito. You're right. Your intuition is already pointing you, Aries, no? That your person is having an affair with someone. Or kung yan ay bago-bago pa lang, no? Nakakakilala mo pa lang, pero yun nga, like mo na nga siya. Kasi nga gusto mo siya, masarap siyang kausap, no? At siya ito, no, na nagre-reply at game na game, no? Pero biglang recently, biglang parang pawala ng pawala. Di mo alam kung mahina lang ba yung wifi niya or ano eh, no? Pero nakita ko rito, yes, na meron siya ritong bagong kinakausap. Pero wag mag-alala kasi nakita ko rito ng energy na may makikilala ka pa, you know? For some reason, wala naman tayong age bracket dito. Pero nakuha ko rito ng mga energies, no, na parang naglalaro sa 20s to early 40s, no? So, ganong klase ng energy, no? Yung parang energy na ready rito, no, na mag-drive into love, no. So, nakita ko rito na may mga makikilala pa kayong other options, no, may mga mamimit pa kayo rito, no, at ang maganda, nakita ko rito na mahanap mo na rin dyan ang iyong kamachi-machi. Aries could be an Asian right here, no, but doesn't have to be. But look at that, no, bubuuhin ninyo, no, ang araw ng isa't isa, no, hanggang sa bubuuhin nyo na ang mundo ng isa't isa. Nun taray, binuo ninyo sa inyong mga fingers, no? ang heart shape, no? And I do pick up that this is something here na posible mo na ring maging other half in the future, no? Kasi nakita ko rito ng mga bridesmaid at mga attendees, no, na possible na inyong future wedding ceremony. Kaya naman mga babes, no, nakikita ko rito, no, that you are someone here na parang gustong sabihin ni universe na be selective. Okay? Use your intuition to point out the right person and you will definitely see the answers, no? Yeah, ito na nga yun, no? Pag may mga relationship na hindi nag-work out, mga relationship na nagbibigay na lang ng problema sa inyo, no, then definitely that person is not literally the one for you, no? So, kailangan mo yung makita, no? Justice is being served right here when it comes to your love life, and I'm seeing your soul tribe, no, your best friends, your family members right here, no, they were gathered all together, no, for this beautiful wedding ceremony, and that is the vision of your future, no, na hindi mo nakikita ritong paparating, pero ito yung binibigay sa inyo na very good karma in love ng God or ni universe dito, no matter how you call it, no matter what your religion is, your beliefs and tradition, no? So, yun ang nakikita natin dito. Aries, beautiful energies, no? So, nakikita ko rin dito mga babes, no, na mukhang meron din kayo rito na problema at posibleng meron din kayong iniiwasan dito na tao, no? So, oras na raw para harapin mo yan, no? Yung iba pwedeng ex mo yan or yung iba ayaw nyo lang kausap, no? Kasama na rin ba dyan, miss, yan yung pinagkakautangan ko? Meron ba mga babes, no? So, yung mga babes, basta yung takot ka rito na kaharapin daw, oras na para harapin mo na yung tao na yan. But more likely, ang pinaka nakukuha ko dito, someone na posibleng may atraso sa'yo, no? So, wag kang mga babes matakot dyan, lalo na kung sila yung may atraso sa'yo, no? You need to face that person because I'm seeing that person here will definitely come to you and will talk to you and we'll have a conversation right here, no? Face the truth, no? Kasi nakikita ko that this person will tell you everything that you want or need to know, no? So, nakikita ko dito na ito ay way past matagal na, no? So, hindi ko alam kung importante pa ba sa inyo sasabihin, pero yung iba sa inyo, yes, importante pa yun sa akin, Miss Yan. That's what you're telling me because naka-apekto yun, no, ng medyo malaki, no, sa inyo ritong pagkatao, no. So, kung sino man yan, it could be someone here that you've trusted, no, at posibleng sinira yung tiwala ninyo, mapapera man yan, no. So, yan ay possible na tinuring mong friend. Yung iba naman, pwedeng yan yung ex-lover mo who betrayed you, but whoever that guy, whoever that woman here, whoever that individual here, no, you'll definitely speak to that person once again and get ready for the revelation because meron kang mga bagay rito na posibleng hindi nalalaman patungkol doon. But what makes this conversation important or significant right here is that you will definitely have that closure. No? Kaya pala. No? Everything pala is ganun pala. Yan. And also, yan, nakita lang ako dito, no, ng mga papasok dyan sa new love. Medyo parang maaaring magkaroon lang kayo rito ng konting problema sa kanyang family or sa kanya ritong friends, no, or whatever, baka kasi siya ay galing ng ibang belief, baka kasi iba yung culture niya or ethnicity, baka naman siya ay may foreign blood, no, or yung iba naman doesn't have to be, pero kasi maliban dito sa parang iba yung kanagisnan nilang culture, no, at ang kanilang nature ay iba rin, no, possible din kasi that your new love is lumalabas rito na pwedeng businessman, mapera ito, someone who is rich, at nakikita ko dito that this person right here is wearing this business attire and look at that confidence. It looks like this person here, no, ay maraming success sa kanya rito na buhay, no. Lalo na ngayon, nakikita kong busy siya rito, no. And kung sino man tong energy na to, I'm seeing a lot of options right here na pwedeng binibigay rin ng kanya rito mga families and friends, no. Pero nakikita ko na yun ay kanyang tinatanggihan, lalo na kapag ka nakilala niya kayo, no. Parang para sa kanya, no, kung hindi man lang din kayo yung kanyang kakonek, no, then magpapaka-busy na lang siya rito sa work, no. So, this person right here could be, bina-blind date na rin, no, ng kanyang mga friends and families dito sa ibang mga potential na pwedeng i-date pero wala, 'no? So, sa'yo ko lang siya nakikita ritong maglalaan ng time. This is a busy person right here, na look at that, 'no? This person here is someone na posibleng hindi talaga natitigil sa bahay niya or sa kanya rito, 'no, na opisina, 'no? This person here could be having a lot of business trips right here, 'no? Definitely a successful man, pero ang maganda, humble siya rito, 'no? Parang when the situation, 'no, is given, parang kailangan lang talaga na pumorma or mag-ayos, then grabe iba talaga yung nagiging aurahan niya, 'no, pero very humble individual ito, 'no. Pagdating naman sa inyong kaperahan, nakita ko dito na meron kang ise-celebrate, 'no, with your families and friends. So, possible na meron ka ditong ma-achieve, 'no, dahil nagkaroon ka rito ng magandang communication na parating mo rito yung gusto mo ritong sabihin, na parang ikaw siguro yung naging representative ng inyong company or maybe you have your own business as well. So, nakita ko rito na posibleng ma-deal mo rito, 'no, or ma-seal mo yung napakalaking deal, 'no, with the partner, 'no, or partner company ng inyo rito pinagtatrabahuhang kumpanya, or maybe this is your own business, 'no, na makakuha ka rito ng talaga namang suki, 'no, or talaga ritong magiging permanente mo ng client, yan, 'no, or customer. So, wow, Aries, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweethearts. Thank you so much for your time. Again, I'm Yuriana on me, Sarang Hiyo, Love and Light, and Neo.